Welcome to the show. Thank you for coming out. This is Sadie. Sadie, what brings you here today? Okay, and back to the kitchen here where we are cooking, what are we cooking today? Kettle corn? Well, and that's what we're doing. Thank you for coming out. Back to you, Rob.
Rob? Who the hell is Rob?
Jim.
Who's Jim?
Brett.
Are these all men that you're seeing? I don't understand who these people are.
Turn off the camera.
Say big league.
Hold on, my eyes. Say what?
Say big league.
Big leagues.
That's not what he does at all. What are you, Italian?
What does he do with his little hands?
Why are you acting like an Italian American?
Because he, policy.
This doesn't make any sense at all.
I can't breathe.
What's up, guys? It's your boy here. Nothing sexier than chefing up some hot dishes for Halloween, so let's get to it. Alright, so today we're going to be making some chocolate-covered sweet and salty popcorn. So for this recipe, it's very simple. All you're going to need is some parchment paper. Try and get unbleached if you can. If not, it's all good. You're going to want to get some chocolate. This is a specialty chocolate, but feel free to pick up any milk or dark chocolate you can find in your local grocery store. I roll with the safflower oil and, of course, popcorn kernel, sea salt, and some cane sugar. Let's get to it.
Pretty positive.
Yeah, it smells like dish soap. So here's a pro tip, guys. Put your oil in one of these bottles. It makes it a lot easier to use. You can come right over here and you're just going to put your oil directly in there. And then you're going to take your kernels or seeds at this point. Smells like some good seeds. Put those right in there. And don't be afraid to be a little liberal with how many seeds you put in there, because not all of them are going to pop. And so the more the better. Alright guys, so put the lid on there, get the heat to just slightly above medium, and let it sit for a minute. Alright guys, so here is our double boiler for our chocolate. So we're going to just fill that with some water, and that should be a good amount right there. You're going to take this, put that right over, and we are going to put this on medium to low heat. So about right there should be good. I'm going to take my chocolates and dump them right in. So we got our little chocolates. Put them right on there, and you're just going to let that sit. So this lid might get kind of hot, so use your towel, be safe. Put a towel right over the top and just kind of give it a shake. You just want to make sure those kernels aren't burning once they're popped, and you want to make sure the seeds are falling down to the bottom. Bless up. Alright guys, so we've got our popcorn here. We're just going to dump it into a bowl. You're going to take your safflower oil and just sprinkle it right on there and just give it a nice toss. Morton sea salt. And give it a nice shake of salt. If you have dogs, this is a good recipe for them because there's obviously lots of crumbs for them to pick up. Or cats. She might eat some of that popcorn. Get it, Zaid. Here you're going to take some of your sugar and just give a nice little sprinkle. Shake it up. Okay, so now we're going to take our parchment paper. And see, you might get some good seasoning stuck in there. Take that seasoning and just kind of sprinkle it right on top. And then you just want to make sure you get a nice even layer, because next we are going to drizzle our chocolate on top. Alright guys, so our chocolate is starting to melt, so just try and keep an eye on it and stir it around while it's melting. And if it's melting too quickly, you might want to turn it down. This is supposed to be a slow process, so make sure it's nice and slow. If the water underneath is boiling, then you definitely want to turn that temperature down.
Put a rap song on so I could just dab on a downbeat. If it's one of those that the downbeat takes a long time, you kind of wind it up, get that momentum in your arms, and then
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We got our treats here. I hope you have a great Halloween. Be safe, have fun, and make sure you share these with your buddies. Peace.